Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expression match characters that occur one or more times. Sometimes you need to match a character or a group of characters that appears one or more times in a row. This means it occurs at least once and may be repeated. You can use the plus character to check if that is the case. Remember, the character or pattern has to be present consecutively. That is, the character has to repeat one after the other. For example, here we use A plus would find one match in ABC and return A. Because of the plus, it would also find a single match in AABC and return double A. If it were still checking the string ABAB, it would find two matches and returns A as separate characters. Because the A characters are not in a row, there is a B between them. Finally, since there is no A in the BCD, it would find a match. Task for this challenge, you want to find matches when the letter S occurs one more time in Mississippi. Write a regex and that uses plus sign. So in this case, you want to find matches when the letter S occurs one or more times. So we will simply change S and after a while plus. And we have the difficult spelling string, match method, and our myregex as the argument. So let's run the test. Your regex should match two items. Okay, I have not placed ing for repeated check and repeated match and ignoring the case. So let's run the test now and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.